So you click this video either because you have dark circles or because you have wrinkles. I have a bunch of products that can help you, so let's get into it. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about products that are 2-in-1 that will actually help your fine lines and your wrinkles together. I will also speak of products that will only work on dark circles. I will also mention 1 or 2 products that don't work on anything. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy skincare related content, because I create new videos 3 times a week, every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday. Now let's tackle those dark circles. I first want to talk about the product that will not work on your dark circles nor your wrinkles. It is a new launch. It was really overhyped. I was looking forward to it, but here is my take on it. The Glow Recipe Gauva Vitamin C Brightening Eye Gel Serum. The consistency of this product, it's a new launch, is like a serum kind of a cream. It's not a thick cream, it's not a serum, it's somewhere in between. Now this product has a lot of type of vitamin C's. It has some really hydrating ingredients. What this does is hydrate your under eye area. Does this help your dark circles? No. Does this help your wrinkles? Definitely not. No. But if you are a Glow Recipe fan, then you may want to try this product. Otherwise, I can tell you, skip it. You will save yourself some money. Now let's get on to products that actually work. The number 1 product that will work on your under eye circles and your wrinkles is this product by Dr. Kiehl's. This is the powerful strength line reducing dark circle diminishing eye cream. I have actually reviewed this product before and it's almost over because I used it completely, so I can't even remove it. It is a typical eye cream texture. It is a vitamin C based eye cream. It has a slightly warm sensation when you apply it under your eye area. Now this baby has a pigment. So when you apply this onto your eye area, it instantly brightens your under eye area. This works really well under makeup. This does help in reducing your dark circles. So this is a product from Dr. Kiehl's that you don't want to skip. It is a 10 on 10 in my view. The other product that I have been trying, and I have tried it for about a month and a half, and it is the first time that I have used an eye cream from this brand. It is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect. Now this is a really interesting cream. Vitamin C based, works on your under eye circles, has a little bit of caffeine. So if you have puffy eyes or so, this will work on that too. In addition to this, the hydrating ingredients that it has actually works on your under eye wrinkles as well. So this to me is a 3-in-1 solution. This is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect brightening deep buffing eye contour cream. The consistency of this product is like a serum-y. It is more of a serum than a cream. You literally need the size of a grain. I took out a lot, so I'm just going to rub it onto my hands. You literally need the size of a grain. I like to even mix, the formula is such that you can actually mix it with your concealer. That's the way I have been using it during the daytime. I take the tiniest amount of the eye cream, I mix it with my concealer, apply it under my eye area, and that is a finish I love. If you want to know how I did it, go check out my Diwali skincare hacks. That's where I've shown a demo. This is an eye cream that I have been using, I have been loving. It is slightly pricey, but it does the job. And this is something, and this will literally last you a really long time. So don't think that you're making this investment and it's going to go waste. This will last you for at least over a year because, like I said, you need the size of a grain. The third eye cream, and this has been a big favorite of mine since February 2021. If you follow me on TikTok, if you follow me on Instagram, I have spoken about this eye cream consistently. I have gone through tubes and tubes of the number 7 Radiance Plus Roll and Glow eye cream. This is a pure vitamin C based formula. This also has a pigment that instantly brightens your under eye area. It is very hydrating. Now this eye cream, when you purchase it, have your expectations real. This will work on your dark circles, will not work on your wrinkles. Okay, so this is a pure dark circle correcting cream, and that is what it does. It is super affordable, so it actually retails for 80 dirhams, but if you know Boots, they're always on sale. They always have an offer, buy 2 get 1, buy 1 get 1. I usually like to purchase this during a buy 1 get 1. And when I do that, I pick up like 4 of them. This ends up being like a 40 dirham eye cream for me, and it is super, super good. I have gifted this to friends and family. I have recommended this, and this is the one eye cream recommended by me that has had the most positive impact from my skincare community. So definitely, if you're someone with dark circles, I will tell you, get this one from Boots. If you don't live in the UAE or in the GCC countries, when someone is traveling, a Boots pharmacy is literally in every city, in every corner. Ask them to get this for you. It is a good investment that you will not regret. Now, another one from Boots, which funnily is supposed to be an eye cream for your for your wrinkles, but also has a positive impact on your under eye dark circles, is this. This is the Pure Retinol Eye Cream. Again, a fantastic texture and formula. So I don't have deep under eye wrinkles, but when I skip on my eye cream or when I don't do my under eye routine properly, I do see some fine lines, crow's feet kind of emerging. And this is a product that has actually turned it around for me. I highly, highly recommend it. If you have more fine lines and wrinkles and less dark circles, this is the one I would recommend. If you have more dark circles, less under eye wrinkles, then this is the one that I recommend. Or you can buy both. Use this during the day, use this during the night, and you get all the benefit of retinol and vitamin C as you need it. And now, I saved the best for the last. So, you know, there are a lot of skincare brands, and not all brands are pure skincare brands. Some of them are a little bit gimmicky. And one skincare brand that I do think is a little bit gimmicky, and I apologize if you don't think that way, is Revolution Skincare. I really felt that after The Ordinary, they were literally copy pasting all of the formulas, all of the products, even the product names, and just launching it in, you know, colorful packaging. I never took Revolution Skincare seriously until I chanced on this little product. This is the Revolution Skincare Pigment Boost Pigment Intense Eye Cream. Now, they obviously, you know, market it as an eye cream for under eye dark circles. Like the one from Kiehl's, like the one from Boots, this also has a pigment to it. You literally, this is such a big jar. This will last you 2 years, I can tell you. I've used quite a bit of it. If you can see here, yeah. You need the tiniest amount, and yes, this will instantly brighten your under eye area because this has a pigment to it. However, I read through the ingredients, and the ingredients in this has an ingredient that I am an absolute fan of as a person with dry skin, and that is Paki Shea Butter. Paki Shea Butter is an ingredient that goes into so many high-end expensive eye creams, like eye creams or face creams, like the one from Biossance, like the ones from even like Elimis and a few other high-end brands. It is a fantastic hydrating, moisturizing ingredient. And so when I started using this, I noticed not only did it work on my dark circles, it did sort of work on my under eye fine lines as well. This product, the pricing is all over. The actual retail pricing for this product is only AED 40. It is a 40 dirham eye cream. The best price you will get is on lookfantastic.ae. Some of the other retailers bump up the price. It could be 50, 60, 70, but it is on you to get the best price of this product. The actual retail price for this product is 40 dirhams on lookfantastic.ae. That is where I bought it from. That is where you should buy it from because it has such a good price there. This is honestly in a category, if I was to say, all-in-one eye cream, dark circles, wrinkles, everything affordable, this would be a clear winner. And this is why I saved this one for the last. So my friends, a quick recap. The one eye cream that I recommend, or the eye creams that I recommend that will work on your under eye dark circles and your wrinkles, is one by Kiehl's, is one by Sunday Riley Autocorrect. Something that will work more on your dark circles is the Boots number 7. Something that will work more on your under eye wrinkles and your dark circles is the number 7 Pure Retinol. And if you want something that's all in one, this affordable 40 dirham eye cream is the supreme winner on the list. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. It helps me a lot, and what I want you to see is the next video, because I feel after eye creams, the next thing that you should tackle is your under eye is your wrinkles overall. So check out this next video. I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.